You've probably seen them. That one kid who built an app at 14. The tech genius who cracked algorithms like magic. The developer who says they just get it. And maybe you've looked at your own screen, your own messy code, your own confusion, and thought, maybe I'm not cut out for this. But what if I told you that the whole idea of the programming genius is a myth? Hey, I'm Thom Code, and today, we're going to break down the reality of so-called programming geniuses. We'll unpack why the tech world loves this idea, how it messes with our confidence, and what really separates a struggling beginner from a skilled developer. Spoiler, it's not IQ. It's not memorizing syntax. It's something else entirely. Let's go back in time. Silicon Valley, early 2000s. There was a rise in the tech prodigy story. Young, hoodie-wearing coders dropping out of college, creating billion-dollar companies from dorm rooms. Think Zuckerberg, think Elon, think Jobs. The media ate it up. And ever since, we've been sold this narrative. If you're not building your first app at 12 or solving Leetcode blindfolded by 16, you're late. But here's the thing. These stories are rare. Like lightning strike rare. And even when they're true, they're not the full picture. Behind every so-called genius is a team, years of trial and error, failure after failure. We just don't hear those parts. Now let me tell you the truth. Most great programmers didn't start as geniuses. They started as confused beginners, just like you. They Googled how to write a for loop. They broke their code 100 times. They sat through boring tutorials they barely understood. And then they did something special. They kept going. That's the secret ingredient. Consistency, curiosity, willingness to suck for a while. I've seen people who thought they weren't smart enough go on to become amazing developers, simply because they didn't give up when it got hard. And trust me, it does get hard, even for the pros. Let's break down what separates the average coder from the exceptional one. It's not raw intelligence. It's mindset. They Google better. They don't panic when things break. They debug step by step. They learn how to learn. They don't memorize code. They understand concepts. They teach others. They write blogs, post on forums, help in discords, not because they're experts, but because it helps them grow. And most importantly, they stay curious. Every genius you've admired, they've just been practicing longer. That's it. So, next time you see someone coding fast, solving problems with ease, or building some insane project, don't compare. Don't doubt yourself. You're not behind. You're on your path. The real programming genius isn't the one who starts early, it's the one who doesn't stop.